So we'll go explore the world. Is Book's playing? Yay! I don't think anything aggresses you, which makes me feel... Okay, yeah. People do, obviously. It like taught me how to interrupt that earlier, and I don't understand why I would do that, since I can just go around them. No, watch, you can just take its insect parts. Can't loot everyone. Bummer. Like that. Alright, must have stuff. I don't understand. Ah, the sounds of nature. Maybe I want it bigger though. Like slightly bigger. Just sitting here eavesdropping all the NPCs. The story will find me the more I walk around. I'm definitely liking this light. Everything's so dark. It's hard, I want to paint it too. Books is in the trash can? That's fun. I understand Books. I stole a bunch of stuff at the beginning of this, and I feel like there must be a bounty on me. But maybe they're just super forgiving at the beginning. I'm looking at this like edge with all the mushrooms. I love all these mushrooms. I'd never played Oblivion, and I feel like this is Oblivion's world, I believe. I'm not sure. Some cool lines going on back here. And then like all of this lightness over here. I still need to represent it somehow, but it's like the sun sets in this direction. Yeah, that's what it doesn't show my hands. Although, I think I'll still deal with it this way. I know I can get a pet at some point. Although I think I might have to like pay for something. And who wants to do that? Get the proportions right of this mountain range. Ooh, what's that shiny light thing? They did something there. Just seeing what it does. It's probably something that I need like a trade-in for, maybe? I got it. I did the collect. I collected. Alright. Wait, you can jump in the water? I'm just starting to like carve out shape. So like when I do these little sketches, I think shape is the most important part of them. Man, I love graphite. Like these graphite sticks are so good. I have some coming in the mail, but they're gonna take a while to get here. So until then, there's a really straight, kind of like flat space right here. I'm mostly interested in this shape. So the land and the shadow beneath this lower form, and then all that like crepuscular stuff going on up here. There's like a very interesting world that is built on top of all those platforms. You know, the canopy of mushrooms. As a part of that canopy, I'm just gonna kind of blanketly respond to some of the light and dark that's happening back here in these mountain sections. You're getting all the gossip. Yeah, it's interesting hearing the exchange of NPC dialogue. I feel like I've never put this much time into standing next to NPCs. There are these two lines back here, those two trees that are at that angle. And then there's this tree that's at this angle. I'm just kind of getting them in there in some way. It takes a bunch of relative decisions to figure out how to make everything else right in relationship to that. It's mostly the same height until you get about out here. I like zoomed out like crazy at the beginning. Part of me wants to go over there soon and just kind of explore what we've been drawing. Nice. Okay. So this is what we've been drawing. This stuff. Those mushrooms are cool too. Yeah, so we're standing down there. I guess these mountains weren't as big as I thought they were. So I felt like it was a big, massive vista. I think I might be able to get up. I wonder if I can get myself stuck. Probably can. Okay. But yeah, this is what I'm drawing. Let's take some bug guts. And some butterfly wings. Yay. Okay, good for a swim. All of the art that I make on this channel gets uploaded to my Instagram, which is where I do like most of my art things. Okay. Keep them away from me. Gosh.